Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming server status and game availability so you aren't chasing local errors when the problem is remote. Next, restart the Roblox client and your router to renew network routes. This clears fleeting session issues. Then clear the client cache and log back in to refresh tokens. Finally, verify the target place ID and access permissions. If the place is private or deleted, teleport will fail regardless of your network being fine. Once done with basic restarts, isolate the cause by testing teleport on another device or network. This tells you if it's client-specific. Then inspect server logs and the teleport service output for errors like invalid place ID, missing instance references, or yield timeouts. Make sure server-side scripts are running and not throwing exceptions. Update the client, plugins, and any modules, and if teleport broke after a change, roll back that change to confirm the culprit. To finish, implement a robust fallback. Call teleport async with a retry loop and delay, and show a clear error message if retries fail so users know what to do. Make sure your API calls match the destination's universe, place, and reserved servers. Mismatches cause silent failures. If problems persist, collect timestamps, console logs, and place ID and contact Roblox support. Troubleshooting tip: if teleport intermittently fails, add exponential backoff and server-side help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.